Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Germany, it's me inside Wirtschaft, NYSEinstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I don't know what day it is. What are we in? January 10th? We got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 7 days of trading. Every day is an update except today. There is some red on the board, not that significant. For me and you, which we always know about, is not the headline that makes the market sell off. It's where it ends up by the end of the day. This morning, the market was down about 90 points on the initial play on the S&P, the implied opening. Market did get down, I think, over 100 at one point. Okay, but net after that hit that point, which was over a Chinese headline that they are no longer going to be buying bonds. They own the world in bonds. They did not say they're going to be selling the bonds. They said they're going to cut back the purchase. They own more bonds than you can even imagine. We're talking, forget about it. Bonds up to wazoo, they own the world in bonds. So the fact is, if you analyze it and they see that the market did bottom out on the headline, it did go, you know what? By 9:45, we were down 120 points, and that was the low of the day. The market rallied back significantly from that point and ended up actually in positive territory for most of the afternoon, up 23. Closed down 16, kind of anemic sideways at the end of the day, trading up and down. You've still got oil on a tear here, up another 50 cents at 63.5. That's blowing through everybody's estimation. Nobody thought it would get through 60, 61, 62, 63. We're at 63.5 on fire. Gold at the highest point, I believe, in the last year at 13.17. Transports up an odd lot. Volume was actually not so bad, I guess say. There's money coming into this market, no question about it. The Chinese, what's interesting to analyze is the fact that they did not say they were going to be selling their bonds. That would have caused some panic. I really believe so, because they own the world in bonds. All they said was they're going to cut back some buying, basically maybe taking a little gas off the, a little pedal off the metal in a way that made the market sell off, but it did not affect the market in the full term day. Solid close, in my opinion. It's not where it opens, it's where it closes. Super important to know that, okay? We went from bottom left to upper right once again, okay? The president's got a new tack going on. He's having these bipartisan meetings in his Oval Office, which seems to be causing some peace of mind among some people who are fans. Not sure really where that goes. But at the end of the day, things look solid. Market seems good. We closed at 25,369 points a week and a half into the first year. The best beginning of a year since 2007 or since 1997, in fact. That could be 20-something years. That's significant. So stick with me, stick with Einstein, stick with the NYSE, stick with Inside Wirtschaft. Giddy up on that. We'll take it up again tomorrow. Today's hump day, Thursday, Friday, important days for this week. Second week of January. I believe January is 5 weeks this year. It's going to be a big deal. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow later.